I do have ADD, but I stopped taking my medications because I just want to do things the natural way. Like, I just want to be able to do stuff on my own, but it's getting so bad. Like, I can't even unpack my suitcases from like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, it's getting so bad. I suck at working for myself. I honestly just want to go work for someone else. Please. Literally in 1 week after taking my meds again, I applied to nursing school, which I've been putting off for like 2 years now. I did it! Yay! But I need to get my shit together. Hopefully I'm back on YouTube and I can get stuff done now that I'm properly medicated. Good morning. It's time to clean my sheets. It's still early. It's a little gloomy today. Hopefully the sun will come out. I've been using Curology for, I don't even know how long it's been, probably like 7 years. These are all Curology bottles that I purchased myself, and today's sponsor of the day is Curology. You guys know whether it's gloomy or sunny, I always wear sunscreen. I never step outside without sunscreen on. And today I'm using Curology's sunscreen broad spectrum SPF 30. I always recommend sunscreen with SPF 30 or above. This sunscreen is great because there's no white cast. I am brown, so that's really important to me. Also, it is great for acne prone skin. I have acne. I've been struggling with acne my whole entire life. The reason why my skin is good right now is literally because of my Curology subscriptions. Everybody always neglect the neck portion. If you are already a Curology subscriber like myself, can log into your account and add this sunscreen to your bi-monthly order for $14. If you are a new Curology user and you're struggling with acne or you have some type of skin problem, I really encourage you guys to sign up for Curology, and with this you will get your free trial. If you want to add this sunscreen and their lip balm to your free trial kit, it is only $4.95. I have had success with Curology, and I want you guys to remember to be patient. It might take you a few rounds to find the perfect formula, so that means you will have to try out a new formula, give it 12 weeks. If it doesn't work, talk to your provider, try out a new formula. I went through 4 or 5 rounds of this, and I'm so thankful that my Curology provider and myself are able to work together to find something that works for me. I genuinely love Curology. I use it every night. I use it every day. So thank you so much, Curology, for sponsoring this video.
Hi, it's breakfast time.
This is my friend Jen.
Hello.
We're gonna be doing her program.
Our warm-up, we have 3 sets of 20 to 30 reps with band work, 5 to 7 tempo bodyweight Bulgarian split squats at a 3-0-1-1 tempo. So that is like 3-second descend, no rest, shoot up, and then right into the next 3-second descent. In the programming that I'm doing, tempo helps you to slow down your movement and get the most out of the movement, opposed to rushing through your curls or rushing through your bench press. If you take your time and it's controlled, you're going to get more out of that movement. For example, the Bulgarian split squat. When you're in your descend down, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, and then you stand back up.
I've never done tempo stuff before, so this will be my first time.
Okay.
Also, I haven't really been consistent, so don't give me shit because I'm gonna struggle a lot in this video.
It happens! We all do it. We all get out of the groove.
This is the pre-workout. You're gonna feel like a little tingle.
I'll take a half.
Okay. And we're trying out a new gym today, which I always get anxiety whenever I try something new, period, let alone a new gym, and also filming at a new gym. And not only that, but this is where like all the pros go. For our warm-ups, we're going to be doing some banded workouts. We're doing high reps, 25 to 30, supersetting these 2 exercises. As you can tell, I'm not very familiar with this exercise, so Jen is doing a much better job than I am. Then we're moving on to Bulgarian split squat. Jen is doing 30s. I'm doing 15. Bulgarian split squat is something that I have trouble with, mostly because my legs tend to take over and then I can barely feel it in my glutes. I can feel it in my right glute because my right side is more dominant, but I can never ever feel it on my left. So I try to play around with my footing. Sometimes if it's too close, then I can't really feel it. If it's too far, I can't really feel it either. So you just kind of have to find like a nice in between. I can feel it in my glutes on this side, but not this side.
I feel it.
Ready? Do you put your feet together?
Yeah, since it's close stance,
Okay.
I put my feet together. Ready? Go. One, up. Two, up. Three, up. Four, up. Five, up. Six, up. Seven, up. Eight, up. Nine, up. 10, up. 11, up. 12, up. Rest.
I feel it a little bit like that. Next is cable kickbacks. All of the reps, sets, and exercises will be listed in the description box, as well as the tempo. Today it's a little bit of a weird split. Usually I do like a full leg day, so 5 or 6 leg exercises, but for this program we're doing 3 leg workouts and then a push and pull upper body workout. Moving on to upper body, we're doing dumbbell rows. So actually I forgot to film some of the exercises because I just forgot to press record, but again, all of the exercises will be listed down in the description box. Jen is going to be doing pull-ups. I can't do pull-ups because of my implants. Technically I could, it just feels really weird, so I'm substituting this exercises so I could work out my back. Four, I did shoulder press as an alternative while Jen did dumbbell bench press, because again, I don't train chest, and of course I forgot to record Jen doing that. Okay, next is tricep push down, 3 sets of 12. Last set of exercises is a superset. We're supersetting skull crushers, which I have never done one of these before, and it felt really weird and odd, so I definitely need to practice before I could actually do it perfectly. But I'm super proud of myself for trying it out. We are supersetting skull crusher with reverse grip bicep curls. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys in my next one.